Hey, hi everyone, this is Shiva here. I work as Head of Sales Engineering at Fieldproxy. So today let's look into a feedback collection process and how it works using our Fieldproxy app. So before I show you the app and the processes and technical stuff behind it, on a whole, the idea behind this is to collect feedback from your customers whenever a field agent visits them, right? So I'll first show you the mobile application and how it would look like. So if you can see here, it's the mobile app, Fieldproxy app. Once your agent gets inside the app, there is an option called customer feedback collection. As soon as they click it, you have the customer details prior already loaded in them. So for example, let's take this customer here, Elon Musk wants to give some feedback, right? So let's say the rating is on a scale of 1 to 5, right? So it can also be on a scale of 1 to 10 based upon your preferences here. So I want to rate it as 4 here. And there is also an option to load some comments from your customers. If they want to add some comments, this is the field. For example, let's say it's a very positive experience, right? And mobile, they submit the response. Post that, they also have an option to, do a signature here, right? Let's say it's Shiva. And then they submit, okay? And it's submitted. So that once this is done, the response is submitted and it will reflect on the backend for us, right? So now let me also show you the processes on the back end of it, right? This is how the process works. Is quite simple. There's already, as I said, there are already set of labels that is the prior customers for you. And then you select the customer and then you give a feedback, and that is recorded in certain sheets. The reason behind that is to create some attractive dashboards for you, right? So let me show you a couple of dashboards here, right? So this is the dashboard, customer feedback management dashboard. And if you scroll down further here, you can see on a overall what are the customer ratings happening and what are the comments that's been provided on overall here, right? The ratings here for the data are on a scale 1 to 10. Before the setting was for 1 to 10, right? And let's say, and also you'll also get a word cloud on an all attractive way of to see what is happening on your feedbacks. And you'll also be able to see, user-wise data. For example, there are 3 field agents here, John, Mark, and Raj, right? So how much is the average ratings they are able to get? For example, Mark here is able to get 6.5 on average customer feedbacks, right? And the total number of ratings for him so far is only 2 ratings. So based on that, you can also see the average for each and every one here. Going further down, if you also want to select 2 customers or key customers who are having a very good feedback, right? So we have 3 customers here, and all of them on average, how many ratings they've given and what is the average rating. So it can reflect how satisfied they are with your on-field services that's been happening. So this is how the dashboard for you looks like. So so this is all the process on a whole. And if you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much for your time.